Mason.
Yo, Phoenix mixed that.
You know I've been trying to tell them that I have been on it from back in the day. I see it even when I'm sleeping, I can hear millions calling my name. It's a dream when you do what you love at the end of the day and you're still getting paid. So I'ma keep counting my blessings, nothing or no one can get in my way. Every time I leave the house I get spotted. If I'm honest, there's no better feeling. Confirmation that people believe in the work that I do, man, I can't be defeated. Every day I see the future unlocked. That's my brain linking up with my heart. You think we're good now? Buckle up, this is only the start. Back when the world was a simpler place, I could hardly contain my excitement. Now all of that energy goes into rapping, how could I ever stay silent? Need a beautiful watch to go on my wrist, cause I'm all about perfect timing. 24/7 I'm smiling, make a hater go into hiding. Best behaviour in school, so the 9 to 5 was pending. Academic and I'm social, so the uni life was destined. Something was telling me no, bro, this isn't you, stop the pretending. Now I got nearly a